Most people are frustrated because they've been praying, they've been visualizing, they've been affirming, but nothing has changed. You see, I have this stick man right here. He's tense because his reality just won't seem to change. He's been praying, he's been on his knees praying all day, but why? He's asking himself, what am I doing wrong? But that's the wrong question. It's not about technique. It's not about effort. It's about emotionally and mentally shifting to a point where you don't care whether or not your desired reality comes true or not. And it sounds counterintuitive. Trust me, just stay with me. But this is the way you manifest. This is what manifestation is. It's emotionally shifting to where you don't need your reality to come true for you to be okay within. It all starts within. You have to align within, and then your manifestations, what you desire will chase you. But it starts with detachment. And right now, this guy's he's tense. Things aren't going his way because he has a squeeze on life. When you have a squeeze on life, you don't let opportunities flow through. You don't let abundance flow through you. So we'll be going over what actually is detachment. And then we'll go over how we can implement that, and what it means in your day-to-day life. So, detachment. So, detachment does not mean you have to act like you don't care. You still care. However, you're not emotionally moved through the ups and downs. Through ups and downs. A wise man stays the same through pleasure and through pain. So you're not emotionally moved, but you do strive for success. You do strive for your goals. You just let go of the result. That's what it means to detach. You care, but you don't let your emotions be swayed. Let go of results. And you might ask yourself, why do we have to detach just to allow our abundance to flow through our lives, to allow blessings to flow to us, to allow our desired realities to become true? Why do we have to detach? It's because when we tell ourselves we want something, over here, want equals not having. So when you want, you basically tell God that you don't have. We all want things, but it's good to not emotionally need things. When you want something, usually when someone says they want something, it's like they're eager. You can strive for things, but just don't be emotionally needy for it. It's like when you're dating a woman. If you're too needy, she's gonna bag up. That's how the universe acts. She's gonna bag up like, what are you doing? Oh, you must not love yourself. Everything starts within. But as soon as you start loving yourself, you start being more independent, then she comes more to you. She starts orbiting you. And that's how reality works. Once you start giving yourself wholeness, once you start giving yourself the attention it needs, stop needing things, then what you think you needed will be running towards you. So let's not want. Wanting puts you in a position of not having. And in the Bible, I'll put this in the comment, but there's a verse in the Bible that says, those who have, more will be given to them. And those who don't have, even what they have will be taken away. So, if you have, you will have. You will have more. If you don't have, you won't have. And this is all emotionally. So, emotionally, if you feel love, you'll get more love from people. You'll perceive love in the world. You'll see love in the world around you. But if you don't have love for yourself, even the little love that you do have for yourself will be taken away. You won't experience love. You won't be given back love. So, detachment is all about not needing anything. And when we not need anything, everything will be granted to us. So, that is what detachment is. So in our day-to-day life, in your day-to-day life, this is what it means. For example, you want to manifest a significant partner, and you want her to be a type of way. You want her to be beautiful, you want her to be loving, etc. If you go out and look for her, hoping you'll find somebody so you can feel good, you will never get that woman. But as soon as you not care, you place your intention in the universe, but you don't care and you detach, that's when you'll get all that you say you wanted. That's how it works. When you don't care, you get what you want. Because you don't need anything, because you already have everything inside. So that was one example. I'll give you something that you can extrapolate onto any problem or any thing that you do that you want to manifest. Anything that you want to manifest, I'll give you this one thing right here that you can extrapolate for all of them. So, we want something. Why? To feel an emotion. We want things to feel us. Yeah. We want things to feel a specific way that we don't already feel. An emotion. This is why we desire things. This is why we go after things and we strive for things. It's just to feel an emotion. So once we realize that all of desire is just to feel an emotional experience that we don't already feel within ourselves, now we can align with the experience. We can align with the emotional experience in the present day. So we get that what we want is just to feel an emotion. Now, we take that emotion and we place it in the present. We make that our present emotion. So if you want to get a woman because you want to feel loved or worthy or proud of yourself or respected, or you want to feel successful because you got this beautiful woman, place that feeling of success or respect or pride or acceptance, place that feeling in the present moment within. Give yourself that feeling first. And to do this, the best way is to meditate until you feel the emotion fully. Meditate until you feel the emotion fully through your body. And I guarantee once you get out of that meditation, you won't feel like you need this. You won't feel like you need this anymore, which will then attract this thing to you because you've aligned. So detachment isn't about it's not acting like you don't care. It's just aligning with what you want because you know you can already get what you want in the present, because what you want only leads you to an emotion, and you can experience an emotion right now today. So if you're out there and you want whatever that you want, sit down and relax. Feel how you would feel if you had that thing. And meditate on it until you feel like you don't need it anymore. Only until then will you be able to truly manifest. Because that is manifestation. Manifestation is it's being emotionally independent of seeing your reality change. So once you become emotionally independent on whether or not your reality changes or not, once you just don't care, that's when you open up the gates of manifestation. That's when everything will start rushing towards you. Because you tell the universe that you already have. And like I said earlier, those who have will keep getting blessed with more. So remember to detach. Remember to not care about results. Only focus on your inner emotion. Choose your emotion wisely, because that is what allows manifestation to happen.